Hi there, it's Mackenzie with WTI. These LED strip lights from Tenmiro really amped up our daughter's cozy corner.
The possibilities with these strip lights is completely endless because you can do almost anything with these. The installation is surprisingly easy and fairly fun, actually, to do something that you want for your specific area. I love the fact that you can rock out and just the ease of everything. Downloading the app and working it through your phone is simple and straight to the point.
These are fantastic. Do, 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 do.
You can truly set up for yourselves whatever vibe you're going for and have a truly enhanced experience lit up.
These LED strip lights from Tenmiro rock. I know that you're going to love them as much as we do. And that's my point of view.